Now I am going to discuss about Korotkov sound. Korotkov sound was first discovered by Nikolai Korotkov in the year 1905. After the discovery of Korotkov sound, the measurement of diastolic BP by auscultatory method became possible. After getting an idea about systolic blood pressure by palpatory method, the cuff pressure is raised. The cuff pressure is raised 30 millimeter of Hg higher than that of systolic blood pressure measured by palpatory method, and then cuff pressure gradually decreased or deflated at a rate of 2 to 3 millimeter of Hg, and diaphragm of stethoscope is placed on over the brachial artery and a series of sound is heard. So during lowering the cuff pressure at a rate of 2 to 3 millimeter Hg, a series of sound is heard which is known as Korotkov sound. Korotkov sound is auscultated in 5 phases. Phase 1 known as tapping sound, phase 2 known as murmurs, phase 3 known as clear loud sound which is known as gong sound, phase 4 muffling of the sound, and phase 5 is the disappearance of the sound. Phase 1 or tapping sound or the appearance of the sound denote systolic blood pressure, and disappearance of the sound or phase 5 denote diastolic blood pressure in normal healthy subject. Now discuss about the different phase. When we raise the cuff pressure 30 millimeter or more and gradually lower the cuff pressure, and at about 120 millimeter of Hg, at about 120 millimeter of Hg, there will be a faint tapping sound or a clear tapping sound, and this tapping sound continues up to 10 millimeter of Hg fall, then that means up to 110 millimeter of Hg. The appearance of tapping sound which denotes the systolic blood pressure. That means if the tapping sound appear at 120 millimeter of Hg, then the blood pressure is 120 millimeter of Hg. Systolic blood pressure is 120 millimeter of Hg. Now in the next page sound become murmurous. This Korotkov sound is due to turbulence in the blood flow through partially opened artery. Partially opened artery or the brachial artery, that means here the artery is partially open, here artery is totally occluded, that means there is no blood flow, and here the artery is partially open, that means blood flow started, and due to this turbulence in the blood flow, sound undergoes a series of changes that are the Korotkov sound. So phase 1 is tapping sound which continues to 10 millimeter of fall of mercury, and phase 1 denote the systolic blood pressure. Then phase 2 sound become murmurous for next 10 millimeter of fall. Sound become murmurous for next 10 millimeter of fall, and that continues up to suppose 100 millimeter of Hg. Now phase 3. Phase 3 sound become clear and louder, which is known as gong sound. Phase 3. And phase 4. Phase 4 for next 5 millimeter fall, sound become indistinct, sound become dull, and muffled. So it is phase 4, and ultimately around 80 millimeter of Hg sound disappear. That means the disappearance of sound in normal person the disappearance of sound in normal person denote the diastolic BP. This is how the Korotkov sound is auscultated. Tapping sound appear 120 millimeter of Hg. Now sound become murmurous. Phase 3 clear gong sound. Muffling sound. Phase 4. Sound disappear at 80 millimeter of Hg. So, systolic blood pressure denoted by appearance of tapping sound or phase 1 sound, which is here 120 millimeter of Hg, and diastolic blood pressure is denoted by disappearance of sound, which is here 80 millimeter of Hg. And these Korotkov sounds are produced due to turbulence in the blood flow due to partially obstructed artery by increased inflated cuff pressure. And after 80 millimeter of Hg, artery become totally open and flow becomes streamlined or laminar after 80 millimeter of Hg. So there will be disappearance of sound which denote diastolic blood pressure. But in some cases, phase 5 or the disappearance of sound is not taken as diastolic blood pressure. In aortic regurgitation, in case of young child, in case of severely hypertensive patient, in thyrotoxicosis, and in case of after exercise, the muffling of the sound or the phase 4 sound is taken as diastolic blood pressure. Thank you.